Meet Dr. Rajnish Bariyar, a highly experienced senior physiotherapist and the visionary founder of Dr. Bariyar's Physiotherapy and Neuro Rehabilitation Center. With a deep commitment to restoring strength and mobility, he brings decades of clinical expertise in neurological, orthopedic, and post-operative rehabilitation. Whether it's stroke recovery, chronic pain, or post-surgery healing, Dr. Bariyar's approach combines scientific precision with compassionate care. Every treatment plan is uniquely crafted, ensuring each patient regains not just movement, but confidence and quality of life. At DBPR, recovery isn't just about therapy, it's about transformation. Hospital visit today and begin your journey with a specialist who leads with both heart and healing.